Is your child mentally prepared for back to school? Consultant psychiatrist Dr. Jeffrey Walcott is encouraging parents and guardians to help their child or children during this mental preparation, as it is critical if they are to do well in the new academic year. TVJ's Shamela Pullen tells us more in this evening's health report.
The 2018 summer break is almost over, and so come next week, most if not all students will be heading back to school. But this period can be a very difficult time for students, especially if they're going to a new school. Consultant psychiatrist Dr. Jeffrey Walcott says parents and guardians need to take the necessary steps to help prepare the child to get into the right frame of mind for back to school.
I think we don't pay enough attention as to the strain that it causes on these children going into a new environment, having to learn to adapt, meeting new friends. And you really have to spend time with the child, talking with them, working through their anxiety, and most importantly, getting them to set up the schedule that they're going to need to actually make it through the school term.
Getting the child back into a normal routine from early is also critical. One way to do this is to send the child to bed early, at least a week prior to the reopening of school.
As a parent, and first of all, the kids get to sneak past their bedtime later and later as the summer progresses, and then they wake up later and later in the morning. So by the time the summer vacation is winding down, their sleep patterns are usually horrific. And it's very important because it cannot be adjusted that quickly, and it usually causes them to be drowsy in the daytime or not functioning in school.
And importantly, the child needs to do preliminary reading before going back to school.
I know that's a very negative concept, but in reality, a lot of the parents should encourage them even to do an hour or two of reading in the last 2 weeks of the summer vacation. And it's really to get their minds back on track for the academic process.
With your health report, I'm Shamela Pullen, wishing you good health.